The American firearms market has seen the rise and fall of different handguns produced to cater to the need for durable, reliable, and affordable handguns. Countless handguns have been made for use by the US military, but over time, the demands have increased and old handguns that don't meet the new standards are disposed of to introduce better and improved ones. Due to increased demands and changing needs, many American manufacturers are exploring better ways to engineer their handguns to suit the required purposes, leading to greater innovation and unending new releases. So today, we'll explore the best handguns made in the USA. We'll review handguns from top-tier manufacturers like Colt, Ruger, Sig Sauer, Smith & Wesson, and more. But before we dive into it, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to our channel to join our community. We're passionate about bringing you amazing content, so don't forget to hit the like button and turn on notifications for all our videos. Having done that, let's begin. The SIG 320 Compact is by far the cheapest pistol on our list. However, that doesn't make it any less inferior to the pistols discussed earlier. As a matter of fact, it's worthy of first place as it displays exceptional performance for a pistol of its size. It was produced by Sig Sauer's American branch, and the 320 M17 is the pistol that later replaced the Beretta M9 as the US military carry pistol. It was the Beretta M9 that replaced the Colt 1911. The 320 Compact is more like the smaller version of the M17. Weighing only 26 ounces, this compact pistol packs a punch for its size. It's a striker-fired semi-auto pistol chambered in 9mm with a magazine capacity of 15 rounds. The SIG 320 is well suited for concealed carry and home defense, equipped with a polymer frame, beaver tail, a nice consistent trigger with clean brakes, and a Picatinny rail for mounting accessories. It has a smooth magazine, and although it has no manual safety, it performs exceptionally well. This pistol is optics ready with 3-dot sight and comes with an ambidextrous slide lock. It's quite a surprise that such a handgun with immense accuracy and a record of reliability comes at a price that could go just a little above $370. Nighthawk Custom did an amazing job with the TRS Commander, addressing the issue of low capacity with 1911s. The Nighthawk Custom TRS Commander was produced to have higher capacity than a standard 1911 while still retaining the vital qualities 1911s are renowned for, like shootability, accuracy, and a reputable trigger system. It has a Commander frame size, is chambered in 9mm, and is equipped with a whopping 17-round magazine capacity weighing just 36.7 ounces. The TRS Commander is a handcrafted pistol made with intricate design. This recoil-operated semi-auto pistol possesses aluminum grip modules and a stainless steel slide. It's optics ready and utilizes Nighthawk's iOS optics system. It has a full-length dust cover that helps with the muzzle flip and is equipped with safety features and a smooth magazine release. The Custom Commander is no handgun for the simple. With a price tag of up to $4,000, it's a premium pistol affordable only by the elite. If you've ever wondered what it's like for a pistol to have all the new features but still operate like a typical 1911 in accuracy, performance, and reliability, the Wilson Combat EDC X9 is the best handgun to give you that feeling. It's a double-stack, single-action hammer-fired pistol with a durable metal frame. It has that crisp trigger 1911s are known for and is equipped with the same takedown system for easy cleaning and maintenance. This pistol was built by the American manufacturer with intense quality and attention to detail. The EDC X9 comes with two 15-round magazines and an 18-round magazine option. It's optics ready with a checkered slide to reduce glare and front and rear serration. It's optics ready with a checkered slide to reduce glare and front and rear serration. Its front side is fiber optics and the rear side is adjustable. The Wilson Combat EDC X9 is highly ergonomic with a comfortable grip imprinted with the Starburst pattern. It doesn't come cheap though. It's as expensive as it is efficient, with a price that could run over $2,000. Smith & Wesson designed the M&P series mainly for military, police, and personal self-defense, available in 22 LR, 380 ACP, 9mm, 357 Magnum, and 45 Special. The Smith & Wesson M&P Shield came in as an improvement to the series. It was introduced in 2012 and exists in 9mm and 40 S&W. It's thinner and lighter than other models in the series and holds 7 rounds and 8 rounds with an extended magazine. It's equipped with 3-dot sights, trigger guard safety. Trigger guard safety, and thumb safety. Chambered in 9mm and suitable for concealed carry, the M&P Shield hit the market selling at a price below $500, putting its cost below that of other full-size pistols. Ruger, Sturm & Co. have a long history of producing rimfire handguns, and they've been pretty successful at it. When the LCR went into production, it turned out to be something than what Ruger was already used to producing. For example, though a rimfire handgun, the LCR is not entirely that. It was designed to appeal to the concealed carry market, so it had to be lighter and more compact than any of the revolvers before it was invented. It also exists in a wide variety of caliber, namely 357 Magnum, 327 Fed, 9mm, and 38 Special. All the models in these different calibers are suitable for self-defense and holds 5 rounds, except the 327 Fed, which holds an extra round. With a little more focus on the 38 Special, it's affordable for around $739. It's the slimmest 38 Special revolver on the market and possesses extreme shootability and controllability. Its aluminum frame, stainless steel barrel and cylinder, and polymer fire control group are a great mix. Weighing just about 13.5 ounces, its lightweight is incredible, and it's got that smooth trigger pull that just makes everything feel so good. The Kimber Custom 2 is often described by its manufacturer as the model handgun, the one that other handguns should be like, and true to that, it's a great handgun. It possesses the reliability, accuracy, and ultimate craftsmanship that 1911 pistols are renowned for. The Kimber Custom is usually chambered in 45 ACP. However, it's available in various other calibers like 40 S&W, 10mm auto, 9mm Luger, and 38 Special. The Kimber Custom 2 is perfectly engineered with many cool features. For example, it comes with multiple safety features, including extended thumb safety, grip safety, and firing pin safety, so an accidental discharge is fully prevented in case of carelessness. It also features a custom trigger and beveled magazine well. Its full size makes it even more capable of containing its firepower and gives it the agility it needs to perform well. Optics ready and equipped with a skeletonized hammer, this semi-automatic pistol is made of stainless steel slide, frame, and a smooth checkered rosewood grip. The Kimber Custom 2 has a 7-round magazine capacity, which is pretty limited compared to the various larger magazines available with other pistol models. However, when you shoot the Custom 2, you'll be able to tell what sets it apart from other pistols. It has that 1911 touch that changes everything. Of course, it comes at a 1911 price tag of around $980. If you've been around for a long time, chances are you're familiar with the Colt 1911. It's a classic, the favorite handgun of many seniors. The Colt 1911 was produced in, of course, 1911, a symbol of art and craftsmanship, hence its model number 1911. It's been around for almost 75 years and was the standard issued sidearm for the entire U.S. Armed Forces for years. Developed by a very innovative man, John Browning, the Colt 1911 has won the heart and loyalty of thousands of American citizens. This classic pistol's production was in response to the U.S. Army's need for semi-automatic to replace the old revolvers they were utilizing. Chambered in 45 ACP, the Colt 1911 is a single-action pistol with one of the best designs ever made. It has superior stopping power and a splendid single-action system that delivers exceptionally well. One unique thing about the Colt 1911 is that it was made with parts that could be used to disassemble another part of the handgun for easy takedown and maximum maintenance. Equipped with a 7-round magazine, it was nothing like any handgun that existed at the time. Colt 1911s don't come cheap. They go for a price as high as $1,000, and that's if they're not brand new. Generally, 1911s are just unbeatable in price and performance. Having checked out the best pistols made in the USA, we hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more updates and recommendations, and like and share with people you think will appreciate it. We post videos just like this regularly, so do be sure to turn on notifications for all of our videos so you'll be the first to get updated on our latest release. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.